Let's draft a convertible collar. This is ideal for casual wear like shirts, etc. Draw a horizontal line. Have that line intersected by a vertical line at a right angle degree. Label A. A to B is the center back to shoulder. B to C is the shoulder to the center front. Square up ½ inch from C to D. Connect D to B with your French curve. Square off from D following the B line. Go straight up. Transfer AB measurement to the top of your paper. A to E is your width, which in this case is 2 inches. And B to F is 2 inches. Draw a straight line from E to F. Draw in the rest of your width and a curve following the B line, going all the way to D. So you're following B, going all the way to D for 2 inches. Label G. G to H is your collar point according to your design. Connect D to H. And you have completed your convertible collar draft. Thank you for watching.